Your old pan will shine brighter than a mirror. It even cleans burnt grease. Yes, you heard that right. To start today's tip, let's add 2 tablespoons of coffee to a container. In a few moments, I'll tell you how powerful coffee is for this kind of use. Right after that, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Next, we'll add 3 tablespoons of liquid dish soap. The detergent helps break down the grease and makes it easier to apply the mixture to the surface of the pan. The salt acts as a natural abrasive, perfect for scrubbing and removing dirt and grease. When combined with coffee, it further boosts the cleaning power. Finally, I added a tablespoon of water and mixed it very well. Water is essential to achieving the ideal consistency of our mixture. This paste will be our secret weapon for cleaning pans. Now, let me show you how effective this mixture is. Look at this pan, it's super dirty and burnt. It was heavily used in the kitchen and ended up with that stubborn grease that's hard to clean. We'll apply our mixture little by little to the pan. Spread it well using a spoon. This works much better than any aluminum polish. You'll never need to spend money on expensive store-bought products again. Try it at home, I'm sure you'll love the results, just like I do. After I learned this trick from a housewife, I started doing it every time my pans get like this. After applying the entire mixture to our pan, we have to let it sit for 20 minutes. This is the ideal time for the mixture to take effect. And after that time passes, just wash the pan under running water. To finish, grab a sponge and gently scrub to remove any remaining dirt. No need to use a lot of force, light circular motions are enough. You'll see the dirt gradually come off, leaving the pan shining again. Share your cleaning tips with me, I'd love to learn from you too. This way we can test them and bring more tips to the page for everyone to see. This tip is extremely economical. And the best part is that you probably already have these ingredients at home. And before I forget, today's shout out goes to Carlos, who's watching from Rio de Janeiro. Thank you for always tuning in. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and maybe I'll send a special shout out to you in the next video. I love to see how far my videos are reaching. Now, take a look at this result. Isn't it amazing? The pan is shining like new. Rate it from 0 to 10. Your feedback is very important. I want to know what you thought of today's video. Your opinion helps me improve and bring even more useful and interesting content to you. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Big hugs, and see you next time.